Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to put an image inside a rectangle in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already create a new layer. Click the shift right click on your mouse, select a rectangle, use rectangle style, use any fill color, then stroke color. I use this stroke color. Press enter. Then click and drag it. Stroke size. Okay. Go to file, open image, then click any image, click and drag it, press Ctrl T for resize, hold shift, click and drag it, then right click on your mouse, create clipping mask. Now we can see this inside image rectangle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.